Good day, mom and sir. Today I will be demonstrate the proper preparations of patient for a CT scan examination. So, a CT scan is a diagnosis imaging procedure that uses X-ray to produce detailed image of the body. So, proper preparations is important to ensure accurate result and patient safety, especially when contrast media is used. So, this include verifying the doctor orders, assessing for allergies, securing consent, proper positioning the patient. So, I will now begin my return demonstrations. So, here, I have the doctor's order, CT scan of a abdomen with a contrast. So first, I will instruct the patients for the NPO. NPO means nothing by mouth. So, good morning, sir. Today, you are scheduled for a CT scan. Please avoid eating or drinking for 4 hours, at least 4 hours before the procedure. And second, I will verify with the physicians if the patient may take his regular medications before the CT scan. And next, I will encourage for a comfortable clothing. So, I will advise the patient to wear comfortable clothing for a procedure. So, now, let's assume this is my patient. And my patient already wear the lab gown. So, let's assume he is already comfortable with his clothing. So next, I will chance to remove all the metal objects such as jewelry, eyeglass, pens, pins, and dental appliance. Now I will check and verify the doctor's order for this CT scan. I will review the patient's medical record for his relevant history and previous result. So, first, I will perform my hand hygiene before handling the patient. So, let's assume I already did for the hand hygiene. I will prepare the equipment. I will prepare all the necessary equipment needed for the procedure. So, and after that, I will explain to the patients what the procedure will be done. Okay? Sir, a CT scan uses X-ray to create a detailed imaging of your body. You will need to lay down, okay? And during the procedure, you may feel a warm sensations if the contrast is issue. Okay? And I will assist the patients for any allergies, especially to iodine or shellfish. Okay? So will ensure that a signed information's consent form is obtained before the procedure. For transportation of the patients, I will assist in bringing the patients to the CT scan room using a wheelchair or stretcher. Then after, I will ensure the patient is wearing a hospital gown and has removed all the jewelries. So now I will be assisting and placing the patients in a supine positions on the CT scan. Okay, sir, lay down and make a supine position. Yeah. After that, I will drop the patient as necessary to maintain a privacy. So let's assume I already closed or the curtains or her privacy. Okay. So I will make sure the patient is comfortable before starting the procedure. Sir, please remain still during the scan to ensure accurate result, okay? And I will assist the doctor or technicians during the CT scan as needed. After the procedure, we take already the X-ray. I will perform the aftercare of all equipment used during the procedure, okay? I will document all the relevant information, including patient preparations, response, and completions of the procedure in the patient chart. So this is the end of my demonstrations. Thank you